All right, well, that concludes my day at SeaWorld Orlando, or as we could say, that might be starting the day, because I didn't really do many, I don't know, vlogging today. It's been pretty, I wouldn't say chaotic, but I just haven't really been able to have much time to pull out my phone. I've been shooting some video, doing some POVs, so there's definitely a lot of fun content on today's video. So yeah, this is at the beginning of the video, even though I'm leaving the park right now, so thought we would mix it up a little bit. Overall, just some highlights of the park. Icebreaker's fun, though I mean it's supposed to be a family coaster, but it's not a family coaster, so in some ways it's a disappointment. Mako's still the best. Manta's fantastic. I love the new colors, the new paint scheme on Kraken. Everything just looks good. It's a great park. I'm really glad to be back here, and I hope you enjoy this video. Here we go! Okay, so it's been a little crazy. We're here at SeaWorld Orlando. It's 10 o'clock. We're now getting in line for Icebreaker. I thought it opened up at 9, but I guess everything else opens up but Icebreaker. So we ran over and did Mako. But yeah, now we're finally in line for Icebreaker.
Better than it was the last time, so it's been staple that's never been.
No! Here we go!
Woo! It's a neat little ride.
Yeah! Woo! Here we go! Oh! That was awesome!
Stapled on it was just bad. That's way better. I mean, I was pinned. Like,
oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, so we're here at the car and we're about to leave, and I thought I would share a few final thoughts of SeaWorld. Biggest takeaway from the park is, yeah, they have a great collection of roller coasters. I've already said about Icebreaker. It's supposed to be a family coaster, but it really isn't. Somebody like my daughter, Braylon, she's 7 years old, she's 50 inches. She cannot ride any of the roller coasters in here except for, was it Grover's race car or whatever it is. So basically the only attractions, like rides, that she can do at SeaWorld are the ones in Sesame Place. So she doesn't like that, let's just put it that way. Obviously she enjoys all the animals and all the shows, but that's something SeaWorld's really lacking, something that mid-tier, something for the a little bit older kids, but not the, like, I guess the older kids, you know, for like Mako and whatnot, but yeah, they're definitely lacking that area, and she was really starting to get disappointed as we're going throughout the day. Every roller coaster goes up to, she really wants to ride it, and she can't because she's just not quite tall enough, which is crazy because, I mean, as you've seen her at Cedar Point, she's been on, like, you know, Millennium Force, Magnum XL 200, Corkscrew, some other big roller coasters, and yeah, they just don't offer that here at SeaWorld. So yeah, hopefully that's something they fix here in the future.